Today we talk about how can you enable marketing communications notifications on your Bumble app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above the sign, click on it. So then when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you will find here notification settings. Just click on it. So then you go down here until you will find here marketing communications. Just click on it. You come here to push notifications. Just click in this side. Like you see this color show for us. That's meaning marketing communications notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.